In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail's Send Mail As feature with your custom domain. This can be a great way to integrate your professional email presence right into your everyday Gmail account. So let's dive into the steps and get your custom domain set up in no time. First, make sure you open your Gmail account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner and click on the settings icon. It looks like a cogwheel. After clicking on it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Select See All Settings from this menu to access the full range of configuration options that Gmail offers. With the settings open, navigate over to the Accounts and Import tab. This is where you can manage your linked email addresses and configure how you send and receive emails. Now, look for an option that says Add Another Email Address and give it a click. This initiates the process to add an address that isn't your standard Gmail domain. Next up, a new window will appear asking for your name. Go ahead and enter the name you want associated with your custom domain email address. Following this, type in the custom domain email address that you wish to send from. With these fields filled, proceed by clicking on Next Step. Now it's time to configure the SMTP server settings. This is essential for sending out emails from your custom domain. If you're utilizing your own domain, you might need to input the server address manually. While it may sound technical, don't worry. Your email service provider usually provides this information. Be sure to fill in the port number as well, which is typically 465 or 587. You'll also need to enter the username associated with your email account, which in this case is normally your Gmail address. For the password field, if you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, you'll need to generate an app-specific password. Otherwise, just use your regular Gmail password. After entering these details, click on Add Account. You might be prompted to verify your email address, so keep an eye on your inbox or check your spam folder for a verification email. Follow the instructions in that email to complete verification. Once your email address is verified, return to your Gmail settings and you'll see the option to select your custom domain email address as the default sender for new emails. This means when you compose a new email, you can choose to send it from either your regular Gmail or your newly set up custom domain. And there you have it. With all these steps completed, you can now send and receive emails through Gmail using your custom domain seamlessly. Remember, having a custom domain can add a level of professionalism to your communications while still making use of Gmail's user-friendly interface. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.